Hello dear traders and partners of AMarkets. My name is Daria, I'm the financial advisor, and today we are going to discuss the situation in the global financial markets. So let's get started. The euro remained stable against the dollar, breaking a two-day uptrend with an intraday loss of 0.14% ahead of Wednesday's European session. The recovery in the US dollar is putting pressure on the major currency pair ahead of the release of key PMI data, as well as statements by the ECB and various politicians. Preliminary June activity data from Italy, Germany and the Eurozone, coupled with comments from ECB Vice President Luis de Guindos, will give immediate direction to EURUSD traders. Immediate resistance can be seen at 1.1980. An upside break can trigger rise towards 1.2059. Next, GBPUSD and the US dollar rose against GBP. The pair lacks the strength to move higher and confidence in a 20 pips movement. GBPUSD sellers are attacking an intraday low around 1.3940. In the early European session, sterling fell against a slightly stronger dollar as traders braced for more aggressive rhetoric from Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, who is currently testifying in Congress. The Fed surprised the market last week, prompting exchange rate volatility when the central bank signaled to raise interest rates and stop emergency bond purchases earlier than expected. Immediate resistance can be seen at 1.3950. An upside break can trigger a rise towards 1.4075. Last AUDUSD and AUD fell against USD to 0.7540. The pair recently reacted to negative price news from China, but fell short of the optimism of RBA politicians. On the other hand, the survey shows that bad relations between Australia and China are putting downward pressure on AUDUSD prices. In addition, China's warnings to the United States about its warships in the Taiwan Strait, as well as Beijing's desire to control commodity prices, reinforce the pair's downward trend. Early in Asia, preliminary June Commonwealth Bank of Australia activity was down from previous levels, despite the CBA calling for rate hikes in 2022. This data triggered the initial losses in the AUDUSD pair after a two-day uptrend, mainly due to the fact that the leadership of the US Federal Reserve System backed away from signals of rate cuts and rate hikes that appeared last week. Immediate resistance can be seen at 0.75, and a downside break could trigger towards 0.7445. So for now, these are the main trading ideas for the upcoming trading session. Thank you for your attention. Subscribe to our channel, and we will do our best for you to reach success trading with AMarkets.